Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing some cleaning like we always do. This channel is just straight up cleaning motivation, cleaning tips and tricks, all those things, homemaking. So we're going to be cleaning the kitchen, the dining room. We're also going to organize the pantry a little bit, get it cleaned up in there, and the laundry area needed to be cleaned up as well. And we're going to be cleaning the master bedroom and the kids' bathroom. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I hope it gives you some motivation to get up and get some things done. I know sometimes it's just not something we want to do. There are days when I want to clean, there are days when I have to clean. So I know we all feel that way sometimes. But anyway, I'm going to throw on some music and we're going to get this place cleaned up.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
So we are just about done in the kitchen. I'm just going to clear off the island really quick, and then we're going to wipe it down with some vinegar and water. Y'all know I like cleaning with vinegar. It's just the best cleaner in my eyes. But anyway, yeah, we're almost done in here.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Let's turn up the love.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and get the sink all cleaned out, and we're going to go ahead and work in the dining room. I'm just going to clean off the table a little bit, wipe it down. It really didn't need much in here.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi, but I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
The pantry, like I said, was disgusting. It needed to be cleaned, so I'm gonna go ahead and I just wanted to vacuum it and spray it down. I'm using Pine Sol in this, and I know Pine Sol is apparently really bad for you, but I was out of my Murphy oil soap, and this is just what I grabbed and put together. So I could have used the vinegar in here as well, but I went ahead and used this. Sometimes I just use cleaning products just to use them up and get them out, and then I'll make the mistake of buying them again. But I think this time really all I want is my vinegar and water and Dawn dish soap, and I'm good. The pumice stone works really well too. I'm just trying to get away from all the toxic cleaning stuff. So yeah, it's, and I'm also, me personally, not my family, me personally, I'm on a journey trying to get rid of toxic food out of my diet. So that's been a challenge as well, but I am feeling a lot better just eating vegetables, drinking water and teas. I do have my coffee every morning, but yeah, I'm doing it for my health. It has nothing to do with how I look or whatever, blah, blah, blah. I just need my health to be better. I need to have more energy. And the only way that works for me personally is if I don't eat certain foods. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I also quit drinking alcohol, so not doing that either. I'm not saying I'll never drink again. I'm just right now in this phase, I'm not drinking, because then that leads to other bad habits. So just trying to mellow out. Like, you know, in July I'll be 40, so I definitely want to like start taking my health into more consideration. So anyway, I'm almost done in here. This is the little coffee bar that I have back here. I need to go ahead and put another coffee pot back here, because the one I have back here isn't working for when I have guests or whatever, and we need a whole pot of coffee. So I need to go out and get my other one. But that is how this all turned out, and now I'm going to work on this mess over here. I hope y'all are still enjoying this, and I hope it's getting y'all motivated.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California,
bedroom wasn't too bad. I just needed to get the sheets back on the bed, get everything dusted and wiped down. As y'all can see, I have my knee brace on again. It really hasn't been bothering me for months and months, but I did start working out again, riding the bike, doing some squats, and yeah, it started hurting again. So I'm back to wearing the knee brace. Hopefully some exercises will make it stronger and we'll go from there. But anyway, yeah, we're almost done with this, and then I'm just gonna go clean up the kids' bathroom and we're gonna be done with this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it got y'all motivated. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here, and leave a comment down below and let me know where you're from and all that fun stuff. And I will talk to y'all in the next one. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
Side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned?